Hello Trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from this lower time frame, we can see that gold currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at higher time frame, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall direction in the market. Now from the monthly, we see that gold currently in a long term downtrend. We have seen that after previous monthly close with this long week handle, gold this month after little pullback, the price started to drop again. As previous months, gold closed with this long week handle. This month, we could see that the sellers selling this market to fill that monthly long week. For longer term perspective, I think that gold might come back down again to this monthly 20 EMA or even breaking this monthly low before moving up again. If we look at the weekly time frame to see how gold is doing, now this week so far we have seen that from this level there was a strong rejection. Overall market structure on the weekly perspective as well, which is a bearish market with this strong liquidity trigger on gold, we have seen created this strong impulse followed by back-to-back 2 weeks of correction. Now we see that from this resistance line, gold again dropping down in that direction. This is the weekly resistance zone, and from that zone we saw that gold had a very sharp drop. Now previous week we saw a bullish candle. This week from this resistance line the price started to drop, creating a lower high. The price has come to a zone where there is the price station. From this level we see that gold initially had a bounce. What I think that we might see further bounce to the upside before the weekly close. We could see that gold again coming down, as it is a long-term bearish market. From this resistance the price had a rejection. We could see that from the weekly again the price is coming back to this weekly support of this long-term bearish channel. Now looking at the daily time frame to see how the price is doing, we can see that from the daily perspective here the price from the daily after previous days of narrow candle today also initially has gone up. Now this daily candle opened with a wickless candle, and we could see that gold later today coming down to fill that zone where there's a gap opening and wickless candle, and from that zone we can expect another bounce to the upside later today. Now if we look at the 1 hour chart to see how that can happen, let's draw a line here on the daily to see this support level where there is a wickless candle. Now if we look at the 1 hour chart, we can expect now today gold to come down to test this wickless candle and then to move up to grab liquidity in that level. This is the very important level of resistance here. If we look at the 1 hour chart, there is a wickless candle and the price is approaching that level, means that we could see any time gold to go up and test this zone to grab liquidity before dropping down here. Or if we see that gold is dropping here initially to this daily support, we could see another bounce to the upside to grab liquidity. As the price moves from liquidity to liquidity, these are the two zones that I will be waiting for potential shorting opportunity. If we see that gold has broken that high before coming down, then I will look for potential selling opportunity for this zone after gathering liquidity with a high probability trade setup. On the other hand, if we see that gold has come down before testing this high and rejecting from this daily support level where there is a weakless candle on the lower time frame, then I will consider going long from this level with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also leave a comment below to support this idea. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.